but I ain't worried about it right now. Gotta chase my dreams and let me slow me down. It's not enough, new heroes feeling so alive. With the power of dreams, we could touch the sky. We're keeping
got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no, but maybe.
Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been dying to know about you, but we've been distant. Is it too soon to call, pretending it's to ask you what's new? And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done when it feels like it's hopeless. I'm begging you, please hold on. Maybe the reason tossing and turning is 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. So if I said or did something that hurt you, I'm sorry, you know I never meant to. Hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done when it feels like it's hopeless. I'm begging you, please hold on. Maybe the reason tossing and turning is 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. I'll keep on trying not to let you know. Maybe I should just try, 'cause I don't wanna have to.
It's yung 2,100 para sa experience. Kahit na nagmahal sila, kasi before 1,500 yung per pax. Ngayon 2,100 na siya. Pero yung guide kasi dito is 1:1 na. So super safe ka talaga. Super alalay. It's 1:39 na. I think nag-start ako dito 10 o'clock. Sobrang nakakapagod. Bibigay na yung pinti ko. Hindi ko na kaya. Nakatapos lang namin. Pabalik na kami.
How was your adventure? How was your solo adventure?
It's been fun. I've been in Bantayan, the North Cebu. I've been in Bantayan and then Mualbawal. Earlier, I've been in Oslo.
At what time did you go today?
I arrived there 8 a.m. So yeah, I waited like 30 minutes to get on a bus. That's why I was late. they don't allow many people to watch whale shark if there's only one and the weather is not nice too.
Oh, when
At Oslo, Mawal-Bawal. Just,
Cebu.
Cebu City. So far. Go. Then you have to be early tomorrow.
yeah, so I have to
Like 2 a.m.
2 a.m.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nasa common area ako ngayon. Mga accommodation namin kasi I'm waiting for our Jollibee delivery. Namiss namin yung Jollibee. Wala kasing Jollibee sa Bantayan, no? Eh, nakakita kami ng Jollibee doon sa kanto. Pa-deliver na kami. Nag-stay kami sa Babus Backpackers Inn. I'll show it to you. So, ito yung daan. Ito yung accommodation namin. Ito yung entrance. Merong common area dito, then pool. Yung room namin is nasa 2nd floor. Malapit siya sa Panagsama Beach. The reason kung ba't ko siya binook, pero mukhang bad decision. Kasi sa looban siya. Kasi kung gusto namin pumunta ng Oslo, bad yan. Kailangan namin mag-tricycle at grabe man yung mga tricycle dito. Nisingil kami 250 to 300. One way lang. I got our dinner from Jollibee. Dito na kami kakain sa loob.
Nag-extra live ka.
We. Maasin siya ang Jollibee.
Lumalaki.
Minsan ka lang makakuha ng ganito sa Jollibee. Paano?
Gutom na gutom ka.
Punta kami pa nagsama beach. At sa sardines. Wala kami. Oh my God, sardines. Ay, Phoenix ko, te!
Take two.
Going to nagsama beach. For sardines run. And third time is watching.
I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it.